How to restore deleted TikTok videos. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and open the video you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on the delete icon. Tap on delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this video. Now go back to your profile, then go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. Select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Activity Center. Scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted TikToks over here. Now open the video you want to restore, then tap on Restore. Tap on Restore again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily restore deleted TikTok videos.